Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will prepare another healthy recipe. This time we will use curly endive. Let's start. We need to chop some garlic and some onion. Curly endive is rich in vitamin K, C and A. It will help your body to detox. It tastes a little bitter, but it will help you very much to detox your liver, get stronger and healthier. It's a perfect vegetable to help you to lose weight. We chop one tomato. I use fresh tomato. All my recipes are very simple and everybody can do it in a few minutes. All based on vegetable. Now we can turn on the heat and fry in a pan with an extra virgin olive oil. Add a pinch of salt, just a little. Next we can adjust after we cook the vegetable. And let cook for some minutes. Only 2 or 3 minutes is enough. Then you can add the green olives. You can use black olives too, or mix both green and black olives. Let's cook all for a few minutes. Once again, no need too much time to cook. This is a very easy and quick recipe. When the tomatoes are mashed, we can start to add our endive. After 2 or 3 minutes, this will be the result. Now we can add half cup of water and let's cook for other 3 or 4 minutes. adjust the salt. And then that is ready. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and bye bye!